Namaskar friends, I'm Shivani Gupta from Hello My Yoga. We are here today again for another beautiful IG live, and today we have with us Neetuja Doshi. Neetuja Doshi lives in Pune, and I met her for an episode, as in like we were shooting in Pune with Dr. Vinita Ketkar, and there Neetuja Doshi is senior yoga instructor. And while sitting with her, I realized yoga is so beautiful. How it changes people's life. How yoga can be the only practice for mental and physical health. How yoga can be a way of life for any stage of life, for any state of mind. So we are waiting for Neetuja Doshi, and she'll join us and she'll tell us with her life episodes how yoga played an important role in her life. So let's wait for Neetuja Doshi. She'll be joining us soon, anytime. In the meantime, I would like to tell you that friends, Hello My Yoga is doing a lot of programs related to mental and physical health. When you'll visit our website www.hellomyyoga.com, you'll get to know that in month of April and May we have some beautiful events happening. The first of the event is with Anirudh Gupta on balance and postural yoga. He'll be talking about a lot of adjustments, alignments related to body, but before that he'll be also sharing on the physiology of it. Then the second program we have is True Purpose of Asanam with Chitra Ganesh. It's another technical program for the yoga instructors, for the spiritual seekers who wanted to understand by the books, by the Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, the purpose of Asanam, why we call it Sukham, Sthiram, what is the role behind this entire thing, and how it is intertwined with life. So we are waiting for Neetuja Doshi to join us. Let's see. So let me send her request as well. Once again. I am waiting for Neetuja Doshi, and I just can't see her. Yeah, Neetuja Doshi just waved her hand. Okay, let me invite her to the conversation. Let me invite her, Neetuja. Yes. Yeah, hi Neetuja. We have sent you the request. Just accept that request and join this IG live. Namaskar, Neetuja.
Namaste. Hi, Shivani.
Hello. How are you, Neetuja? Friends,
Nice to.
yes. So, friends, I would like to tell you that the most of the people who join our IG live, they are not Instagram experts. They are not influencers. They are just yoga instructors who are handling and balancing their life. And this is one of the story with Neetuja as well. So, Neetuja, we are here to discuss about how you are living your life consciously with yoga. And
So,
I'm sorry, you're saying something.
yeah. So, no, just answering your question. The first is how I'm connecting with the yoga. First, I like to stay fit. तो इसीलिए मुझे जो भी अच्छा लगता है, जो भी कन्विंसिंग है, उसके लिए मैं हर वक्त तैयार रहती हूँ. जो मेरा लाइफस्टाइल है, because I love to play this all badminton sports, then basketball like this, and also love to travel a lot. Driving is my one of passion and the riding bikes. So इसके लिए बॉडी प्रिपेयर रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. लेकिन 2-3 साल पहले एपिसोड ऐसा हुआ कि दो आई एम जिम पर्सन, मैं स्ट्रेंथनिंग पे वर्क करती थी, लेकिन वाइल आई एम प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन तभी मुझे लो बैक एक का इशू चालू हुआ, एंड 2-3 टाइम आई लिटरली इट्स हॉरिबल पेन इन बैक, आई कांट इवन मूव. So every time painkillers and muscle relaxant, it is not working every time. So I searching for something that always works on my back. So I got to know about this Gnosis Yoga Institute, Medical Yoga Institute. There I got the therapy for 2 weeks. Then it's miraculously result I got. Then उसी के साथ मेरा फिर योगा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ. Because this therapy and this all exercise is really convincing, you can actually feel the relief. If you make it lifestyle, then it is absolutely working.
I completely agree with you, Nituja. That if you make yoga as a lifestyle, the life completely changes. That's important. But the first stepping stone, the first movement with yoga, the first experience with yoga, always start with a physical practice. Like for 90% of the people. For you also, as you said, that you had a injury because of badminton, then you went to Gnosis Medical Yoga Foundation, और तब आप डॉक्टर विनीता केतकर से मिली.
Yes.
और फिर उसके बाद थेरेपी के बाद you felt so miraculously cured, and that you pursued it as an education, and now you are yoga instructor also at the
Yes.
same institute, right?
And this is the reason that how I become yoga teacher, because Dr. Vinita Ketkar ma'am consult with my low back issues. Then she educated me to how to take care of how muscles works on you while you're doing such adventures or demanding activities. Then how you have to keep yourself healthy with the working of your muscle, and that what actually yoga teaches. And that yes,
नहीं,
this
आप
is how
बिल्कुल
I.
सही चीज कह रहे हैं. And you being a bike rider, you
Yes.
being a bike rider, then you have a family business to take care of. Then you are mother of 2 kids, teenage
Yes.
kids, I'll say now.
Teenagers.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it's not that an easy job.
Yes.
So I always say that yoga can be a way of life for anyone at any stage of life or any state of mind. It works miraculous,
Absolutely.
but you just
Because
have to surrender to it.
yes, you can keep yourself energetic throughout the day with the working on your, even on the your breath, even on your body with the asanas, and doing the pranayam is the most important thing in yoga. That makes your mind strong, that you have to do this thing and you have to do it. That I have running out my own personal business, that I have my fuel station as well. And with this yoga, now I'm very much passionate about working here with the Gnosis Yoga, where I can heal the patient with my rope and belt therapy, but it gives me the energy to work whole day.
I can totally relate with your passion. Why is it so, Nituja? Because first you worked on yourself. You saw the I'll say you saw the treatment results. Here
Right.
I'll not say magic or miraculous, because there was a huge science behind it.
Absolutely.
So you saw the treatments, and once that results were there in front of you, then you wanted to heal the other people.
Others.
So
Yes.
that's the passion you are bringing with you.
Yes.
So tell us how this entire journey happened, how this rope and belt therapy and all these things happened in your life. Tell us
Yes.
some episodes.
Exactly. In 2022, we can say that, see, small bike riding, like go 50 kilometers, 100 kilometers is on and off. मैं करती रहती थी. लेकिन one of my dream, that as I before said, that I am very much passionate about the drive the car for a long journey and also bike riding. But one of my dream, that is I want to go Leh Ladakh on the bike. That was my dream. But yes, I have that issue, that I have low back issue, pain, it is back. लेकिन अभी मुझे थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस था विद द एक्सरसाइज डूइंग एट होम, आरबीटी योगा जो में है, जो पैटर्न है, जो सिखाते हैं, जो हाउ टू स्ट्रेंथन योर लो बैक दैट मसल्स. तो उसके साथ मुझे थोड़ा सा ये था कि मैं कर पाऊंगी अगर मैंने ये एक्सरसाइज कंटिन्यू रखा. Then my daughter is 18 years old. I asked her, can you please, can we plan together to go Leh Ladakh on the bike riding? Then she says, yes, of course. अगर आप मेरे साथ किया तो भी मैं आपको आगे जाके अलाउ करूंगी. तो yes, she says yes to for that, and she took me. Then we go here from Srinagar. From there, हमारा वो बाइक राइडिंग चालू हो गया. It is daily 300 kilo we are riding the bikes.
300
Yes,
kilometers?
300 kilometer per day we are riding the bikes to go another place on the road. यहाँ पे कोई सीनरी है, कुछ देखने लायक है तो वहाँ पे रुको. और ये ऐसे ऑन एंड ऑफ चलता था. एंड इट इज नॉट इजी बिकॉज इट इज टोटली ऑफ रोडिंग बाइकिंग. कहाँ पे भी स्मूथ बाइकिंग नहीं है. तो जर्क्स है साथ में, वो हेवी बाइक राइडिंग है. तो इट इज, लेकिन थैंकफुली विद दिस प्रैक्टिस मैं डेली यहाँ वहाँ पे जो स्ट्रेचिंग एक्सरसाइज करती रहती थी. एंड यस, मैंने बेल्ट्स भी अपने साथ रखे थे कि कुछ इशू हो जाए तो इट शुड बी विथ मी. लेकिन थैंकफुली एक भी एपिसोड नहीं हुआ जहाँ पे मुझे लिटिल भी बैक पेन का इशू राइज हो गया. तो द पीपल हु आर ट्रैवलिंग विथ अस, वी आर एक्चुअली 18 people together. We are bike riding. There are 11 bikes with us. तो उनमें से वो लोग ज्यादा क्यूरियस थे कि ये कितना स्मूथली कैसे चल रहा है, किसी को कुछ पेन नहीं है. एंड यस, आई एम द एल्डर वन. मैं ही सब 40 प्लस में थी, बाकी तो सभी 28 29 के बच्चे थे. बट दे आर मोर सरप्राइज कि ये इतना स्मूथली कैसे, कहाँ पे भी इसका डिमांडिंग नहीं है कि नहीं आप थोड़ी देर बाइक चला दो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. वी आर थरली एंजॉइंग, मी एंड माई डॉटर. तो कहाँ पे भी ऐसा नहीं. लेकिन थर्ड फोर्थ डे पे फिर मेरा एक जो मेट है वो बोला कि नहीं, मुझे अभी लो बैक इशू चालू हो गया है. देन मैंने अपना वो राज खुला कि यू प्लीज बेटर एक्सरसाइज विद मी एंड आई विल take your guarantee that you will whole journey without pain enjoy, you will enjoy. And he is ready for that. Then वो हमारा पूरा 18 लोगों का बैच, हम डेली एक्सरसाइज इन मॉर्निंग इवनिंग स्ट्रेचिंग कर लेते थे. एंड एब्सोल्युटली दे आर very impressed with this exercise.
Wonderful. So it's like you made them practice there at Leh with the rope and belt therapy.
Belt therapy.
So that they can loosen their hip muscles and ride more 300
Yes.
kilometers.
Yes.
Wonderful, Neetuja.
Yes. और वो जो हमारे साथ जो गाइड थे, उनका तो डेली प्रैक्टिस है ना. एक बैच लेके जाओ, दूसरे मनाली तक पहुंचाओ, मनाली से फिर श्रीनगर लेके आओ. तो उनका, हमारा तो 1800 किलोमीटर का वो जर्नी इतना लिमिटेड था. लेकिन वो बेचारे का तो डेली का वही काम है, दैट इज हिज वर्क. तो उसको भी मैंने वही सिखाया कि आप इसके साथ प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो अपना स्पाइन है वो हेल्दी रख पाओगे, अदरवाइज इट विल बिकम वर्स. एंड ही इज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. एंड अभी भी मेरे टच में है कि मैम आपकी वजह से मैं अपना बैक सच में इंटैक्ट रख पा रहा हूँ.
Wonderful, Neetuja.
So it is actually
rope
my
and belt therapy is beautiful, isn't it?
absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
this Leh Ladakh event of yours has totally changed your story because आपने पहले rope and belt therapy अपने आप को heal करने के लिए join करा, and then when you realize that this science really works, then you followed your passion of bike riding, and there
Right.
also you made people to do yoga, and
Yes.
now these people are following you
Yes.
to do more rope and belt therapy.
Yes.
That's such a brilliant news.
Yes. And this live experience actually जो लोगों के दिमाग में थोड़ा मिथ रहता है, it is on the mat practice. तो ये दिमाग में से गया कि it is not on the 1 hour mat practice. It is whole day you have to be with yoga, postural correction, doing breathing, right breathing, deep breathing. It is always useful in all situations to stress down factor, keeping you healthy, keeping you energetic in all way. And that people actually experience there. कि थोड़ा सा करना है. इट इज नॉट कि एक आवर में इतना ही मतलब वही पथेटिक, ऐसा नहीं है. यू जस्ट डू इट एंड एंजॉय योर लाइफ इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप. इट इज लाइक दैट.
Very nice, very nice. You just do it and enjoy your life. That's Neetuja's goal. But this is, I always say that yoga is not difficult and it's not different. It is always a part of life.
Right.
But it's just that we have made it so much fancy now that it has become more complex also for people because they need to wear a right yoga wear, then they have to have right yoga mat, then they have to have, a right yoga community, and I don't know what all yoga things are happening, as in like,
Absolutely.
because it's $1 million industry, but yoga is beautiful. other than
Yoga is
this,
beautiful
yoga is
and it is
beautiful.
absolutely simple. Just what your body is demanding, just body what you is demand is give is that. It is as simple as that. There is no need of some music, some mat or anything else like that or time और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जहाँ पे है जो डिमांड है आपकी बॉडी को वो वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस कर कीजिए और अपने आप को बेटरमेंट की तरफ लेके जाए. इतना ही सिंपल है. That what I experienced.
You find it simple because how long you've been experiencing it, like practicing it?
It's 3 years.
It's 3 years, and in 3 years, you found out that it is
It
simple. It's
is
just that we have made it complex in our heads, right?
absolutely.
That's
Absolutely.
that's such a nice boiling down to yoga. But here, most important thing I want to know is how do you are a mother of teenagers, then you are handling family business. You are also an instructor of rope and belt therapy at the same institute, Gnosis Medical Yoga Foundation. So how do you balance? Do you feel that हम सब गृहस्थ आश्रम में, do you feel that yoga can be a way of life in this grahast ashram to balance different things? How do you find it?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Because I know we might be in the similar age range and we all are heading towards postmenopausal. So
Right.
I meant menopausal. So uh, do you think that this yoga thing can be a strategy to live a graceful life later, or can be a way for gracefully aging?
Yes, of course. You see, Shivani, the yoga means that what I see from my side is it is on 8 limb that yama, niyama, asan, pratyahar, pranayam. ये सब है. ये सभी चीजों में जो थिंग अपने आप को जो अपने फिट करना है अगर इसके साथ हम फॉलो करके आगे जाते हैं जितना हो सके उतना तो यस वी कैन बैलेंस आर द मतलब गृहस्थ आश्रम भी उसके साथ अपना पर्सनल लाइफ एंड द प्रोफेशनल लाइफ वी कैन बैलेंस क्योंकि अगर यम है मतलब नियम है जब अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन रखना है टाइम पे सब करना है द सेकेंड थिंग इज प्राणायाम विच गिव्स योर मोर ऑक्सीजन गिव यू एनर्जेटिक द थर्ड थिंग asana where you can practice you can make your strength strong and the thing is pratyahar कहाँ पे लेट गो करना है कहाँ पे रुकना है इससे आगे हमारा कुछ काम नहीं है रुकना है दिमाग से उसको छोड़ देना है ये सब चीजें हम बैलेंस करें तो यस वी कैन डेफिनेटली बैलेंस इन 3 आवर the what we are doing with it and वो स्ट्रेस फैक्टर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है what I experience अगर सभी में 100% इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो जाता है तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेस फिर बढ़ने वाला है
नीतू
तो
आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कौन है?
of course Vinita Ketkar madam she is so energetic always working keep her busy with her work her passion so we can always see rather we are seeing every day that she works my god whole day and still evening you talk with her she is as energetic as you talk in the morning that I saw and I absolutely blindly follow her.
Wonderful, wonderful. And friends, I would like to tell you that we already have programs with Dr. Vinita Ketkar on postmenopausal care, where she talks about the yoga techniques, what a female has to adapt or what female have to make lifestyle changes so that they can age gracefully.
Right.
So for those reasons, you should check out our Self Pace Hello My Yoga website where we have Dr. Vinita Ketkar's program.
Yes.
My last question to you is, what is your dincharya? What is your routine that it is helping you out now, and you feel like baad mein when you leave when you'll be at that stage of life, where the menopause symptoms comes out. So, do you think that current strategy of life, yogic
Yes.
strategy of life, will
Yes.
help you out?
See, Shivani, now we can say in this generation, now the premenopausal stage is little early. We can say 35 to 40 age, then we start menopause and then post में जाते थोड़ा सा पहले हो चुका है लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है पोस्ट मेनोपॉजल जब हमारे मेंसेस स्टॉप ही हो जाता है तब हमें काम करना है काम तो हमें पहले से ही शुरू करना है सो व्हेन वी बिकम 35 और मे बी हमें थोड़ा लगने लगे कि नहीं अभी थोड़ा सा हमें बॉडी पे काम करना है अब माइंड क्योंकि हमें पता है कि प्री मेनोपॉजल या मेनोपॉजल के सिम्टम्स क्या है वहां पे तो हमें एक चीज याद रखनी है थोड़े डिजेनरेटिव चेंजेस होने वाले हैं then hormonal changes is there, then mood swings are there, which is very close to all women nature. मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना वेदर की तरह है, अभी ये तो वो स्विंग हो जाते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट स्टेज ऑफ योर प्री मेनोपॉजल और मेनोपॉज. सो यहाँ पे हमें अगर योगा के साथ काम करना है, हमारे आसन के साथ हमारा बॉडी इंटैक्ट रखना है, हेल्दी रखना है, एज वेल आई से कि हमें ब्रीदिंग के साथ, प्राणायाम के साथ, ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक के साथ हमें उसके ऊपर काम करें. अपने आप को माइंड काम करने में हम अगर यहाँ पे डेली प्रैक्टिस, यू कैन एडवांस योर ग्रेसफुल एज. अदरवाइज हम लास्ट में करें तो इमीडिएट तो इफेक्ट नहीं होने वाला. So we start it now at in your premenopausal, where I am right now. I feel that now I am 40 cross my age, 40 plus. So yes, I work, keep myself busy to to keep my mind healthy and calm. And second thing is, yes, yoga sadhana is daily over there to keep myself healthy and throughout energetic whole day. And I think this, अगर हम बीच बीच में हमारा पूरा बॉडी चेकअप करवा ले एक बार साल में एक बार, दैट इज इनफ फॉर अस. टेक केयर कि आपका कोई लैक ना हो जाए, मतलब हीमोग्लोबिन देख लीजिए, B12, ये सब चीजें. अगर हम एजुकेशन बहुत जरूरी है, योगा एजुकेशन, कौन से स्टेज में क्या करते हैं, लेकिन ये पहले से प्रैक्टिस में हो जाए तो इट इज गो स्मूथली. आई डोंट थिंक सो ये बहुत कुछ ट्रबलसम होने वाला है. दैट व्हाट आई फील.
Your go-to strategy is really nice, that we should start working on the three things, which is degeneration, then second is hormonal imbalance, and third is mood swings. So, and yoga can be the best tool to work on it. But if you have any other tool to work upon it, find it out, those healthy routines, and try accommodating those healthy routines, because aging gracefully is very important. All these are preventive measures. None of these sadhana or practices claims that they are cure for something, but they can be preventive measures. So
Yes.
try accommodating them in your lifestyle, not completely, but those tiny steps.
Right,
These
right.
you'll never get to know that how these tiny steps becomes a part of bigger life, isn't it, Neetuja?
Right, right.
हम एक छोटे
One
छोटे
thing
कदम लें.
Yes. One thing I want to mention that yoga is not immediate कि गोली खा ली है और immediate उसका result आने वाला है. You have to practice it and then you will come to know कि अभी मुझे ये problem है तो इसके साथ में योगा का help लेके ये कर सकता हूँ. Because that I actually felt when I was in bike riding that tour कि जब मुझे वहाँ पे तो less oxygen का issue होता है. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे ही प्राणायाम, मेरे ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक पे मैंने काम किया था, तो मुझे वहां पे पता था कि मुझे क्या करना है. तो वी कैन यूज दिस योगा एज अ फर्स्ट एड किट और पावरफुल टूल.
Yeah, but
बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग विथ इट फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, सो यू नो कि मुझे कहाँ पे कौन सी स्टेप अभी करनी है. दैट इज व्हाई आई थिंक इट इज नॉट मैच प्रैक्टिस.
I completely agree. It's so important to treat yoga as first aid kit, but this toolkit will always come handy to you if you are practicing yoga initially.
Before. And it is educative program. You first understand. It is not mechanically action. You have to understand कैसे वर्क हो रहा है, कैसे हमारे लंग्स पे काम कर रहा है ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स, कैसे हमारे मसल्स पे काम कर रहा है सभी आसन. उसके साथ हम अगर ब्रीदिंग को रिलेट कर जाए तो और भी बेटर रिजल्ट होने वाला है. यू हैव टू एजुकेट योरसेल्फ बिफोर and then practice with the practice, then you come to know कि मुझे वहां पे on that point अगर मैं कहाँ पे मुझे दिक्कत आ रही है तो we can use that a tool or as a first aid. That what I feel. और इसके लिए हाथ में कुछ लेने जाने की जरूरत नहीं. It is सब all here in your mind कि आपको किसके साथ क्या ट्रीट करना है. Because you know all the things. And you can help the society even. जहाँ पे आप हो, वो मुझे बहुत इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे ज्यादा अटैच हो गई योगा के साथ.
Absolutely. So आपने बिल्कुल सही चीज कही है इसके अंदर. और एक और चीज नहीं तुझा, since it's experiential yoga, आपने अपने ऊपर काम कर रहा है and then you are able to reflect it as an example. Now tell me, how about your teenage kids? Are they motivated to do yoga?
Absolutely. My both kids are actually, they are playing basketball professionally. Both are national players. Yes, so evening after the practice always one is there कि मम्मा ये प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे मुझे अभी कैच आ गया है, यहाँ पे मेरे स्ट्रेन हो गया है, तो विद द स्ट्रेचेस उनको भी मैंने वो सब नॉलेज शेयर किया है जो मुझे पता है कि ये स्ट्रेच से आपको ये फायदा होने वाला है, इतना आपको ब्रीदिंग पे प्रैक्टिस करनी है, इतना आपको बॉडी को इवन हील करने के लिए रेस्टिंग जरूरी है, जो बच्चों को मोस्टली बच्चों को पता नहीं, उनको वो लगता है कि जितना प्रैक्टिस करो वो उतना बेटरमेंट की तरफ जाओगे, लेकिन समटाइम्स वो वहां पे उतने स्ट्रेचेस उनके नहीं होते एंड दे सैडली वो इंजरी की तरफ जाते हैं. तो
That is
अभी
really unfortunate. But Neetuja, they are so blessed that they have mom like you, who's daring, who's compassionate, and who educates them at every point of time that how yoga can be handy for them.
yes.
Um,
But
I still remember.
even I feel blessed because they convinced me कि yes, mama, it is actually working. And when I tie the rope or anything, sometimes वो उनका जरूरत लगती है, लेकिन they listen to me and they practice, but they experience yes, it is actually working. Actually working, and they request me to take a one session for that play sports person ki yes, why is the stretching is important, why rest is important, how to breathe, it is also one of the art. तो वो आपको सीखना है कैसे कूल डाउन होना है, ब्रीदिंग पे कितना काम करना है, तभी आप अपनी एनर्जी बढ़ा पाओगे. सो योगा इज नॉट ओनली द वेरी स्मॉल, इट इज वेरी लार्ज. आप कहाँ पे भी जाओगे, अगर स्पोर्ट्स में जाओगे, कोई स्ट्रेस में आप स्ट्रेस के साथ डील कर रहे हो, एनीथिंग एनीथिंग, सभी लोगों के लिए, ऐसे प्रोफेशनली नहीं है, ये ऑल पीपल के लिए है, सभी जो भी है उनकी बेटरमेंट के लिए योगा इज देयर, ऑलवेज इट इज वर्किंग, व्हाट आई फील.
Wonderful talking to you, Anituja.
Thank you.
Friends, this conversation was actually to tell you, to share with you, to educate you, to aware you that yoga सबके लिए है, किसी
योगा
एक के लिए. It's an experiential science first. जो नीतूजा का experience है, जो मेरा experience है, not necessary आपका भी वही experience हो, आपका different होगा, लेकिन positive direction में होगा. That's one thing. Then second is for the females. We have a program with Dr. Vinita Ketkar on postmenopausal strategy. Please have a look on our website on www.hellomyyoga.com. I am inspired by Dr. Vinita Ketkar. Neetuja is inspired by Dr. Vinita Ketkar. Why she's an inspiring yoga teacher is because the kind of lifestyle she's living, and on that lifestyle itself she has created this program where she actually gives you an understanding about the women body, how it changes with different stages of life, and at menopause, when the cessation of menstrual cycle occurs, what hormonal changes happens in the body, why degeneration happens, why we have mental instability, and where and on what points we can work, what can be the yoga techniques for it. So this program is actually meant for anyone and everyone, for the yoga instructors who are dealing with women who are at that stages of life, for the women itself, for themselves. This program can be really handy for them. So please join that program. We are already running some discount offers. When you visit our website, you'll be able to see those discount offers. Take an advantage of it. And thank you so much, Neetuja, for joining
Thank
us.
you so much giving me the
sharing your life
opportunity.
experience.
Yes. And this is a wonderful program what we are running, Shivani. I'm very much appreciated this program. Very much. हेलो माइगा योगा एक ऐसा अपने प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है जहाँ पे सभी जो भी योगीज है, नॉन योगीज है, अपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस के साथ इट इज, और उन्होंने खुद को एक्सपीरियंस किया है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सब बुक में पढ़ा है और कुछ रिसाइट करना है. यू एक्चुअली पीपल आस्क टू गिव देयर लाइव एक्सपीरियंस, सो इससे डेफिनेटली लोगों को बहुत फायदे होने वाला है. थैंक्स फॉर दैट.
Thank you so much. It is so wonderful talking to you.
Thank you.
And we are ending this session here itself. Thank you so much.
Yes. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, everyone. And thank you to all the participants who have been listening us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.